Are you tired of struggling with unfamiliar currencies while planning your trips? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to change the currency on the Booking.com app in just a few taps. Whether you're booking your next dream vacation or managing a business trip, switching to your preferred currency can make comparing prices so much easier. Let's start by opening the Booking.com application on our iPhone or Android device, and I'm going to search for a trip just as an example for this video. I'll search for France, and when I get these search results for all the different hotels and apartments, you can see that the currency is shown in euros, which is the official currency that France uses. But what if I want to change this so it shows me US dollars, or British pounds, or whatever currency you're using? Let's get back to our Booking.com homepage and then tap on the little profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where it says My Account. Now scroll a bit down until you find this Device Preferences option and tap on it to open these settings for the app. The currency option should be just right under the language section, so let's select it, and you can see that it's currently set to property currency, and that means that Booking.com will show us the local currencies for the apartments and hotels which you're looking for. But you can search for your specific currency and set it in here. Let's say I'm from the United States. I'll simply select the US dollar, and if come back and search for those France apartments, you can see that the prices are now shown in United States dollars instead of the euro. Thanks for watching everyone, and I wish you a great trip.